Hi traders. In this tutorial I will tell you why it is clever to trade reversals patterns and more specifically double tops and double bottoms, and why I believe Blade Scalper is a powerful tool to chase them and maximize your profits. You know that trading is about statistics, right? Well, studies show that between 90% of the time you would be able to predict the future reversals of price with these patterns. Looks too good to be true, no? Really? On every asset and every time frame? Well, as a trader, you need to be specific and not general. So I decided to build Blade Scalper for every chart platform like Pro Real-Time, TradingView, or MetaTrader 4. I have created this product first for myself in order to trade faster, easier, and safer. With this innovative product, you will be able to verify by yourself live on any asset and any time frame the statistics and ground your strategy solidly on them. But let's get into it. And first, let's put the indicator on the price chart. Click on price and add indicator, and here we go. So now, what are the key features of Blade Scalper? Of course, the first feature is to give you signals of double bottoms and double tops. You will find them materialized in these triangles. It gives you also clear stop loss and entries. No more second guessing. Now this is important. Be sure to only enter the trade after the candle closes in a colored area. 3 levels of take profits are available, TP1, TP2, and TP3, based on a standard risk ratio of 1, 1.5, and 2. Will ensure you won't take any undue risk, and it will always trade with a favorable risk-reward ratio. Based on these theoretical tips, you will get real-time statistics, and you will always be informed on the current conditions and how the patterns are performing. The win rate is calculated on the number of times the price reaches the first level of take profit, and you have also the details by TPs. The cool thing about Blade Scalper is that it offers the flexibility to adjust to the asset and its time frame you're trading on, and to check the statistical performance of the pattern just now. First, you can check if it would be more relevant according to the past to trade only double tops or only double bottoms. Another important feature of the product is the power zones. Why creating such a tool? Well, everybody can draw lines between 2 or 3 points at the same level. It's a very boring thing to do, and it's not rigorous. Maybe you're not seeing the big picture. If you took more units on your time frame, maybe you would see other points. If we go to the configuration panel, we get access to the PowerZone touch variable that will allow you to select the strength of the zone you want to see. And with the PowerZone density, you have control over the granularity of these zones. This is just critical information you get here, because it defines how hard and strategic the levels will be. In terms of probability, it tells you the probable next move of the price, because this is precisely where the market will go to take the decision of the next move of the price. Now, how you will trade practically. Remember that every trade plan should be built on a foundation of a multi-time frame trend and a reversal analysis. Trend Decoder, our famous trend indicator of the Pro Real-Time marketplace, will help you simplify this important routine. Check it in our shop in the links below. If you want to have a TP1, TP2, or TP3 automatically calculated in real time, both in points and absolute value, just go and check our PowerZone V2 innovation that we will find also in the link below. We believe Blade Scalper is a powerful tool that can elevate your trading strategy. With this innovative feature, and combined with other advanced tools like Trend Decoder, PowerZone, and Trade Manager to automate your trades, we believe you can manage your risk and secure your profits more effectively. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, take a daily license to test our product or contact our team for more information. Thank you for watching, and trade safely.